Hey, what is up, guys? It's Julio, and today, or 3 days ago, I got myself a Miata, and I'm very proud of myself because I never thought this car would ever come to my hands, and got it for a great deal. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is to clean the interior. See, it's very dirty, and like in the back of the seat right here, it's dripping water. It's wet. And then we're gonna clean the wheels next, so we're gonna have a before and after, and then get into it. Thing is to vacuum the seats, this seat and that seat. I already vacuumed the back, but not in the middle. And the other thing, same thing as the other one, and then detail the wheels. Start this thing. For sure, we're starting this. Rims, and then we're gonna do the last one with using the wires. Even though tire cleaner is not got the blue one on my truck, but yeah, I'm gonna clean this and we're gonna be done. Using this is water, 1 and 4 with shampoo, a car cleaner, you know, keep that shit clean. And then I'll spray the foam, let that shit sit for 30 seconds.